Friends, I'm your English teacher Sonu Kasana, and today we are going to complete the exercise of this very first chapter from the book A Pact with the Sun, chapter name A Tale of Two Birds. A Tale of Two Birds. Okay, let's start. The very first question is, how did the two baby birds get separated? How did the two baby birds get separated? Answer is, the two baby birds lived in a tall tree along with their mother. One day there was a big storm. Full stop. The tree came down. Full stop. The mother bird was killed. Full stop. The strong wind blew the two baby birds away to the other side of the forest, at a little distance from each other. Full stop. Thus they got separated from each other. Completed. The second question is, where did each of them find a home? Where did each of them find a home? Answer is, one of the baby birds came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other bird landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. Question 3. What did the first bird say to the stranger? What did the first bird say to the stranger? Answer is, the first bird saw the stranger the king. He called the robber to hurry up and rob the king's jewels and his horse. सॉरी, यहाँ आपको ऐसे ब्रैकेट को क्लोज करना है. ओके. Okay. Next. What did the second bird say to him? What did the second bird say to him? The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He requested the stranger to drink water, take rest, and make himself comfortable. Full stop. He added that his brother lived in the company of robbers, so he talks like them. Full stop. Question 5. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? Answer. The king told the rishi about the different behavior of the two birds. Then the rishi explained that the first bird repeated the word of the robbers. This word is rishi, only rishi, rishi, not n. Okay. First bird repeated the word of the robbers, but the second bird repeated what he had always heard at the ashram. Full stop. Their different ways were the result of their company. Their different ways were the result of their company. The sixth question is, which one of the following sums up the story best? The answer is, one is known by the company one keeps. Okay, the answer is one is known by the company one keeps. Clear? Okay, students, hope you like it and complete it as soon as possible. Okay.